The next thing we are going to talk about is forms, which are also a very important part when it comes to the foundations of web, as they are our primary source of communication with the users that we have inside our websites or applications. So forms are started with this parent tag of form, which we always use. It has an action attribute, which is about the functionality and backend development. So we do not have to do anything with it, at least right now, you know what I'm saying? So we leave it empty. And inside this form tag, the video you just watched is a part of the Takeoff College, the smartest alternative currently available for the traditional education. If you are looking for improving your real-world skills with project-oriented courses, or if you are looking to increase the value of your time on a daily basis as either an employee or a business owner, for over 15 courses bundle, plus our over 50 upcoming courses and all the updates, plus individual certificates of completion for each course, obtain your lifetime access today, paying our one-time fee with a great discount inside www.thetakeoffcollege.com. Learn more in order to earn more. It's always been like that. See you inside the program.